हेलो बच्चों, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे मैचिंग द कैपिटल लेटर्स विथ स्मॉल लेटर्स।
A, B, C, D, C, B, A, D.
Capital A, small a. Very good. Capital B, small b. Good job. Capital C, small c. Very good. Capital D, small d. Very nice.
E, F, G, H, H, G, E, F,
Capital E, small e. Good job. Capital F, small f. Very good. Capital G, small g. Good job. Capital H, small h. Very good.
I, J, K, L, K, L, I, J,
Capital I, small I. Very nice. Capital J, small j. Good job. Capital K, small k. Very good. Nice. Capital M, small m. Very good.
M, N, O, P, O, P, M, N,
Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. Good job. Capital O, small o. Very good. Capital P, small p. Good job.
Q, R, S, T, U, T, U, Q, R, S.
Capital Q, small q. Very good. Capital R, small r. Good job. Capital S, small s. Very good. Capital T, small t. Very nice. Capital U, small u. Good job.
V, W, X, Y, Z, Y, Z, V, W, X,
Capital V, small v. Good job. Capital W, small w. Very nice. Capital X, small x. Good job. Capital Y, small y. Very nice. Capital Z, small z. Good job.